Welcome everybody, welcome back. Andrew Ainsworth Golf Academy here with more product review to do. Back to the Mizuno range, we're on to the JPX EZ 5 wood. This is the fixed one. We also can get this in an adjustable 3 wood and 5 wood, where obviously you can change the lofts around, but this one's fixed. This is the standard 5 wood, 18 degree. I've got it fitted with the Orochi Fujikura regular 60 gram shaft, and I've been having a little play around with it, trying to do my variable speed test, which a lot of you people out there have said is helpful because it gives you an idea of what the club will perform at various club speeds. So I'll show you the numbers in a minute. Let's just tell you a little bit about the tech behind this club. We've got this Shockwave sole. So this is the Shockwave sole, which I think you can see on the bottom. And the idea of this is, you won't be able to see the writing on here because of the projector, but what it does is it allows the club head to contract and expand. Okay, I don't quite know how that happens, but it does. So it contracts and expands, and I guess it's going to shoot the ball off there a little bit faster, give it this sort of trampoline effect. It's quite a large footprint, and Mizuno is saying right from the beginning that this is a club which is not really been designed for the faster club speeds. It's really been designed around the golfer who maybe struggles a little bit to get launch and to get the fairway woods up in the air. You'll see on my speed test in a minute that as I started to get up into some higher club speed numbers, the backspin rate started to climb and the carry distances weren't that great. But Mizuno is saying this, they're saying, look, this is not for maybe the longer, stronger hitters. If you're looking for a Mizuno fairway wood to do that, you'd be better off looking at the 850, which came out last year. Remember the one with the blue head? That's probably going to perform a little bit better. But for a lot of golfers who do struggle to launch fairway woods, this is a great option. So let's have a look at some numbers with you. I've been doing this speed test for a little while now, and I'm not making excuses here, but it's quite difficult to try and get good strikes when I'm swinging the club a lot lower than I might do normally, so it takes a little while to get there. But I've got some numbers for you to talk about. What I've got is I've got one at 74, one at nearly 80, one at 84, and one at 95. So it'd be interesting just to look at, I think, the carry distances and how this club works for certain club speeds. So I'll shout them out for you. So at 74 miles an hour club speed, I was getting a 142 carry, running out to around about 170, I would say 175 if the ground's hard. If your club speed's closer to 80 miles an hour, we're going to be getting about a 160 carry, running out to 176. You can see the ball flight's getting higher now, and the backspin rates are starting to climb a little bit. This is all dependent on strike a little bit as well. As I went to 84 miles an hour club speed, my carry distance climbed up to nearly 180, 178, running out to just shy of 200. And when I got to 95 miles an hour, I got a carry distance of 209, running out to sort of 227. So you can see there's obviously some differences and variations according to club speed and strike and launch angle and all this sort of stuff. But that's there just to give you folks an idea of how this club may work for you, and I'd be looking more at carry distances as always rather than run out distances. In terms of the cosmetics of this club, we've got the grey top, which is nice. We've got the Runbird logo on here. We've got the decals on the heel and the toe. We've got the Mizuno blue in the bottom there. We've got another little Runbird logo. You know, so it's not shy on the sort of the appearance, which, you know, it's nice. It's great. It's quality. Mizuno build quality golf clubs. They use quality shafts in there, and they're very much into custom fit. For all of you guys and girls who've used Mizuno, custom fit is their big thing. And as always with these video reviews, I urge you, if you're interested, to go and find the fitting centre who works with Mizuno and try these things, because this club needs to be fitted. It really does. You need to make sure this club would work for you. Get the right shaft. There are lots of shaft options which again would lower spin, backspin and things like that. So good club, very nice. They do a 3 wood, which is 15 degrees fixed. They do an 18 degree 5 wood, and I believe, I'm not sure about this, I'll have to double check. I think they still do a 7 wood, which is around about 21 degrees. It's funny, isn't it? 7 woods are becoming sort of a forgotten club because of hybrids, really. So I think we'll see a few manufacturers start to possibly drop a 7 wood in years to come, but I may be wrong. Good, so that's it, the JPX EZ 5 wood review. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. All the best, bye bye.